Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're thrilled to present a closer look at the fantastic Boya BY-V20 wireless microphone. This little powerhouse of a mic boasts an incredible range of features and top-notch capabilities that cater to both professional and casual users. In this video, we'll unbox this gem, revealing its contents, and delve deep into its impressive design, functionality, and what makes it stand out from the crowd. As the box opens, it's evident that this microphone is more than just a tiny device. It's an ultra-compact and portable solution that's a perfect fit for today's creators, vloggers, journalists, musicians, and more. Inside the box you will find two microphones, one receiver and two USB charging cables. As only the microphones are charged, the receiver draws current from the device it is plugged into. Now, let's dive into the technical prowess of the Boya BY-V20. Equipped with a USB-C port, it is compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring convenience and ease of use. The built-in omnidirectional mic ensures a comprehensive 360 degrees sound pickup, capturing the nuances and details of your audio. With selectable noise cancellation, it hushes unwanted background sounds, ensuring your audio is crisp and clear. Automatic pairing and plug-and-play functionality. Nothing else is necessary. Just plug the receiver into your USB-C drive, press the on button on the microphone, and you're done. If you want to turn on the noise reduction option, press the blue button once. Plus, the 50-meter operating range offers unparalleled freedom, ensuring your content doesn't compromise on quality even when you're on the move. Other important specifications are frequency response 20 Hz to 16 kHz, signal-to-noise ratio 80 dB and sensitivity 42 dB. Now let me do some microphone tests, comparing the Boya to the built-in microphones in a laptop and a phone.
Test, test, test. Boya wireless microphone. 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Boya wireless microphone. Link in description. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boya noise reduction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boya mic. Boya mic. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Noise reduction. Noise reduction. Boya mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test, test, test. One, two, three. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. Boya, boya, boya. Test, test, test. Boya mic. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test, test, test. Boya mic. Link in description below. Test, test, test. Boya mic. Test, test. Boya mic. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. 1, 2, 3. Boya mic. Boya mic. Test. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test, test. Deu mic. Deu mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test, test, test. Deu mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's pay attention to the weight of this microphone. It is only 9 grams, which makes it one of the lightest on the market. When you hang it on the clothes, it does not weigh and the clothes look good. Despite its small size, it lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge. In summary, the Boya BY-V20 wireless microphone offers an amalgamation of convenience, quality, and technological sophistication. Its ability to deliver exceptional sound quality while being extremely small and lightweight makes it an ideal choice for a microphone in this price range. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, musician, or journalist, this microphone is your trusted companion, ensuring top-notch audio quality wherever you go. If you want to buy this microphone or see its price, you can use the links in the description below. Thank you. We were waiting for you again.